This is Soma
District Hospital.
Soma District Hospital.
Maternity ward.
Maternity ward.
Yes, yes.
You could see your fan swinging.
Yes.
And we could see nurses at the desk work. All right, nurses. This is UK Jarra Association. All right, we have just donated you a fridge. Okay, yeah. And then we're going to replace this old one with a new one. Yes. Do you appreciate it?
Yes.
Do you really?
Yes.
All right, I'm really happy to see you beautiful nurses here at work, okay?
Thanks.
All right, and I hope this is going to help. Yeah, that's Ansumana. Lift the new one. The nurse in charge is Mr. Mane. I met him last week.
Yes,
didn't
exactly.
I? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Mane is here with us, and his staff. Is that Habib behind that?
No, Drame.
Drame. All right, Mr. Drame is this.
It's our supervisor at the regional health team.
Regional health team. All right, Mr. Drame. Here we are, UK Jarra Association from the United Kingdom. All right, we're here to donate you 2 fridges. All right, and this is what I call replacement what? Process. Yeah. Yes, and that's it. So if you can have the old one switched off.
Yes.
Yeah, and off the stand. You want them all to see. Yes, you can see the old one is going out now.